How to deposit funds in Nanobanana.AI. Are you guys facing issues to deposit funds in Nanobanana.ai? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To deposit funds in Nanobanana.ai, start by logging into your account on Nanobanana website or application. Once logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see these two credits icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be provided with options like subscription, credit packs, and also this package options. Now choose your preferred method. This could be a bank transfer, credit, debit card, or supported digital wallet. Enter the amount that you want to deposit and carefully check that all payment details are correct. After confirming, click on deposit or submit. The platform will process your payment, which can take a few minutes to reflect in your Nanobanana.ai balance, depending on the method used. Once complete, you will receive confirmation notification or email. Make sure to only use verified payment methods linked to your account and avoid sharing sensitive details. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to deposit funds in Nanobanana.website. I'll catch you in next one. Bye bye.